Unong ilam ka Congress hakajala uba Ronnie Vilingdo MLA kamelim bat unong ilam kalyang persya hayang dorba thawan kajala ula kenno baka BJP habayalam ya ka sarkar National Democratic Alliance kam shamlale ai ban kentiu ya ka yok ka kot jongkari bat kabalingo ka long ba wat umentri rang ba kari India Narendra Modi shamlakran shikentien ru halor ka jingjia ya kan at snam Manipur.
We have to strengthen the party at the grassroots level and reach out to the party regarding the failure of the NDA government at all levels, be it the economy, be it employment, be it the price rise, so many issues that have affected especially the common people. And the economy has slid to such a level where it will take years for the economy to bounce back to its previous level, previous years level. And then you look at unemployment; it's at the highest in the last 45 years. We've not had this kind of rate of high unemployment. And then you see now the situation in Manipur, where the Prime Minister of the country doesn't have even the time to just call for peace and harmony in that state among different communities. Only shows their insensitivity towards the northeast, where hundreds of people have died, thousands have been displaced from their place, and the Prime Minister doesn't have the time even say a few words to request for peace and harmony in that state. Only shows how insensitive this government is. Their only aim is to win election at any cost, by any means, without taking into consideration the human factor, without taking into consideration so many factors that are affecting the country, the common man, the armed army.
Halor ka election MP Lok Sabha Usnam Arja Arpusaw Lopun Pau Dakbaong baka Congress kandang job kat kumbapau na ka election haki artli jela kata Himachal Pradesh pat Karnataka. Ulapan pauru baka Congress kan lep hak election MDC namar ba wat hak election MLA bala depru wat hapdang ka jingmi ki babon na ka party penban kalawan ban job pat sangot ki MLA.
Retaining the Shillong seat, we have our MP here, Honorable President, who is also the MP. We are very 100% sure that we will retain the seat, because I think you look at the other two states election, Himachal Pradesh and Karnataka, where the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the President of the BJP spent weeks, months to campaign, but they were defeated because you cannot take, the voice of the people for granted. You cannot take the people for granted. So we are very certain that even in the country, this will be the same result. There was a mass exodus from the Congress party. So our candidates, had very little time to prepare for the election. Some of them had only 2-3 months. Okay, but this time it will be different. You see, right from when we didn't have a single MLA, we managed to get 5. In fact, had it been for some other factors, we would have got more seats. So we will ensure that this time we will win more seats in the MDC, and of course we're going to retain the Shillong seat, and we'll try our best to get back that to the seat.
Ulaong baha ka jingsan syar ka BJP kam don show ka jinglat lot bat dangshan kala kenno baki MLA ka National Congress Party baki bamsap bat tanglai sngi hadin pan kala priang sung thu yaki. Ulaong baki bapenya so bat ka BJP lada ki dei babamsap maknaru tang shia so bat ka kyo ïada bat syak pen saitkhuid kum masat jan ka washing machine.
Country was not in such a situation where now you can even declare, you can say with confidence that we're living in an undeclared emergency, where the media is not free, where the judiciary cannot function independently, where opposition members on flimsy grounds, agencies are put behind them. But the situation this time is different. This time it will be, the safety, security of the people, the common man. You look, I think if you look at the data statistics, all the cases that the agencies have gone against are, I think, if not more, at least not less than 85% of the cases pursued by the agencies, the ED, the IT, the CBI, are all against opposition parties. Now, recently, you'll see, you can see the irony of the BJP. Just few days, 2-3 days back, Modi had called the MLAs of the NCP all corrupt. Just 2-3 days later, they've been welcomed with open arms. Only speaks of the double standards, the hypocrisy of the BJP. If you join the BJP, however corrupt you are, however lawless you are, the moment you join them, everything is wiped clean. So the BJP now they've got a magic washing powder. You join the BJP, the washing machine will clean you of everything. They just alleged, I think, Mr. Ajit Pawar, that he was allegedly involved in a 70,000 crore scam. Came out from the mouth of the Prime Minister of the country. After 2-3 days, joined the BJP government there. Everything is forgiven, forgotten. So they can stoop to any level, like I said, to get power.